the most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer.
Hi guys, so today I am doing room transformation for Christmas. So I'm really excited. It's a little late at night, but I can't help it. I had a lot of assignments to do this week. So finally I'm free and I can start doing the Christmas decor. Last night I cleaned up my living space, as in I did little jhadu pocha, and I'm done with that part. So tonight I'm gonna start off with the decoration. I have a lot of things planned in my head. Let's just see how many things we can do today. Also, if you like what you see, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also you can follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box below. Also, a lot of decor items which you will be seeing in the room transformation are from Amazon, and I have made a video about it. So I'm gonna link the video somewhere up, so you can go and check that out in case you want to know from where I got those items. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, regarding the theme, I am going for a red and white theme, which is obviously my personal favorite, and this is the only festival where I get to do all reds and whites, so I'm gonna obviously take the advantage of it and do it. But for the Christmas tree, I'm little confused because most of the items are in gold and silver, also some bits of red, so I have to think about it, or I don't know, I'm just gonna do a mix and match. We'll see that. So only the fairy lights were put up, so now we're gonna start off with the main thing. This clip is from few days back wherein I have put up the fairy lights. So yeah, first thing first, I'm gonna clean up the sofa. Now I have some frame posters, so I took out printouts of these from Printo. So I took out these very cute Christmassy images, so I'm just gonna put it in these white frames. It took a lot of time. I thought it's quite easy, but no, it actually took a lot of time. So it came with these sort of nails, so you have to just put it on your wall and hammer it. So here I am putting the framed posters. So now with the lights on, it looks something like this. Okay, this is the place I'm gonna keep my Christmas tree, so I'm cleaning it up. Okay, now I have this pink table, so I'm gonna use this to put up my Christmas tree. I can't put it down because obviously my puppy will start chewing my decor and also might throw my Christmas tree, so I have to put it on a table. So here I'm putting on a fox fur, and on that I'm gonna put my Christmas tree. It could be dismantled only into two pieces, so I put the base here and then I have put the upper part. So you need to fluff the branches, so here I'm doing exactly that, so that it looks quite nice and quite full. So now I'm gonna put the fairy lights. Okay, quick update. I did put up fairy lights on my Christmas tree, but I think it's very less, so I need to put one more fairy lights on this. Okay, I put another fairy light here, and this is how it looks right now. So next I'm gonna put this silver garland all around my Christmas tree. So this is how it looks right now. Next I'm gonna put the silver beads all around my Christmas tree in a very loose sort of way. Next I'm gonna put my decor. So here I'm putting some golden balls, some bells and all other decor items I had. Next I'm gonna put this red ribbon on it. So you can put any way you like, but here I will be cutting it into small pieces and doing it in a very disorganized manner. You can go for anything you like. So I'm just gonna tuck it inside my Christmas tree and cut it into small pieces with a scissor. So I'm just gonna do it, and this is gonna make sure my tree looks full. Make sure you maintain the shape of the Christmas tree and you don't end up putting a lot of ribbon. Okay, now I'm gonna put the last thing, which is the tree topper. So this time I have taken reindeer. You can take anything you want, but I have taken reindeer because it stands for strength and endurance. So this is how my Christmas tree looks with the lights on. I know the white string lights don't look good, but I can't help it. So I just have to let it sit like that. Now this is how my Christmas tree looks with the lights off, and I think it looks really nice. Hi guys, finally I'm done setting up the Christmas tree. It took a lot of time. I was not expecting that it's gonna take so much time. But yeah, finally it's done, and it's quite late. It's almost going to be morning now. So I guess I just have to stop with this, and I will continue the transformation part tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, this is the next day. I couldn't finish my decoration. I couldn't complete it. So today we're gonna do it and finish it off. Finally, I have decided to kind of sit and do and finish it off at one go. So first of all, you can see the room is quite messy. There is things everywhere, so I'm gonna quickly clean that up, and then we will start with the decoration. So yeah, now let's just begin. So first thing first, next morning I started up cleaning my sofa again because there was a lot of mess after I had put my Christmas tree on. Again, I started cleaning my bar cabinet. Okay, so this was the idea that I would put this wall hanging Merry Christmas thing. So I am planning to put the stockings here, basically 3 stockings here, one and another one here, another one here. So yeah. Okay, finally I put the banner there, but I know it doesn't look good. It was such a waste. I actually took risks of my life. I stood here, then got down on that bar cabinet and then tried fixing it. Fell once, so that's the reason. There's a whole lot of mess here. And it doesn't look good. So I don't know if I really want to put that one anywhere. Okay, I tried pulling the banner out and the letter M got stuck. I'm not gonna get up here again. I hope I don't have to. Come out. I think this has... Okay. Got it. Okay, for my door, I'm just putting these green garlands on it, and yeah, it was pretty hard to put in because there was no attachment to it, so I had to put sellotape, and for some reason it was not sticking on it. Next I had this small decor leaves with mushroom things on it, so I attached it on those garlands. Next I put on the snowflakes on the doors. So yeah. Okay, again I had few extra green garlands, so I put on the curtain rods of mine. Okay, now here I'm trying to make a bow for putting on my candle. So this is how I do it. There are a lot of other YouTube videos that you can definitely watch on how to make a bow. Next, once my bow was done, I sticked it on my candles just so that it looks more fancy. So for my bar cabinet, I placed this red glittery paper I had and this red flower on it. Next, to put on the candles, I had these wine glasses wherein I kept some decor balls in it and then flipped it over and then attached again the green red mushroom thingy on it, and then I put on the candle. It looks really nice. Next, I wanted to put this silver thing on my bar cabinet. Now I had this vase, so in that vase I put another bow which I bought it. So in that I had this Christmas branches. Next, I placed the red and white carpet. Cleared up the table first of all and cleaned it up using a colon. Next, I placed it on my carpet. I had another aquarium bowl which I use it for decor, so I just put these random decor balls which I had in colors of golden and silver. For my center table, I had this red clothing piece. This is a sari, so I just cut it into this rectangular shape and folded it and just placed it on my center table. Next, on the golden hexagon tray, I kept on the vase, one red candle and some decor items, and I had my moon shaped lamp and my bath and body candle and also the aquarium bowl. I really hope you liked it. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I will catch you guys pretty soon. So bye.